Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be unboxing this GMK Boneyard set that I ordered from Novel Keys. So as you can see here on the product page, this was available with a base kit, the 40s kit, novelties, and dominoes. I did not purchase the 40s kit. I originally just ordered the base kit because I figured I would be putting it on a 65% and didn't really have use for the dominoes or the novelties. But a few days later, I changed my mind and ordered the novelties and dominoes as well. So that's why we'll have two different boxes. This set was designed by Tumri, who was also behind the creation of Carbon, manufactured by GMK. It's safe to assume that it is ABS, as GMK is not known to use PBT plastic. Not much description here other than the designer and a choice of kits. As I'm filming this, the base and the dominoes set are still available, but the 40s and the novelties are sold out. So let's pop into this here and check out what we got. All clack, no click. All right, so we got a sticker for the sticker box, which I don't know what I'm gonna do with all these stickers I'm acquiring. So Boneyard, it's got a skull and crossbones here. It's got, I'm assuming that's Tumri's logo, the designer, and then we've got here. Whoa, what the heck? All right, we're just gonna go crazy on this one. All right, so we've got our novelties here and our dominoes here. And another one of the same stickers. All right, so I do not like the new GMK trays, but hey, I guess it's good for the environment. So we've got our novelties, as expected with GMK stuff. Seems to be really high quality, a nice double shot. There's a little bit of dust in here. I'm assuming that's a product of the trays. We've got an ISO enter. We've got these little compasses. We've got the squid skulls, I guess. They kind of remind me of the villain from the Pirates of the Caribbean movies. I'm a big fan of playing dominoes. I've actually been playing it a lot on my phone lately. But if you play Bones, you might like these dominoes. Novelties. I mean, yeah, basically they're novelties. Little domino keycaps. I'm going to use them on the function row on the build that I'm building. Look pretty cool. Kind of interesting. Looking forward to making some use of them. So let's check out the base kit here. I've got these fantastic GMK trays. That is sarcasm, by the way. Not a fan of them. I wish they would go back to their higher quality stuff. But let's take a look here. GMK did recently announce that they are going to be stepping up production and adding new production facilities, and they're expanding. Feels like a standard GMK keycap set. It's a very nice set here. I really like the gray with the off-white legending. Looking forward to putting this on a board. Probably going to put it on the board I'm doing this Wednesday. I'm going to be putting it on a red obliterated 75 that I got from Canon Keys. So I'm looking forward to doing that. Hopefully you can check out the build stream. I'll put my Twitch link down below. Not a whole lot to say about this keycap set. It is, you know, standard quality you expect from GMK. Doesn't appear like anything's missing. I know there was a couple GMK keycap sets that had issues with missing keys. So I will double check these later to make sure that all of the keycaps are here. But everything seems accounted for. Take a little closer look here at these novelties. So, for anybody that's into the skull and crossbones type things, it's got kind of a pirate dominoes thing going on here, which, you know, who doesn't like pirates? And if you don't like playing dominoes, you really should give it a try. Not a whole lot more to say about this keycap set. It's a really nice set. It's got that textured feel that GMK is known for and the quality that they are known for. So I think you guys that managed to cop one of these sets will really enjoy them. It is still available, like I said at the beginning of the video, on Novel Keys website. I don't know how much longer it will last, and I'm honestly surprised it's lasted this long. But cop yourself one if you're interested. If not, you know, don't. But thanks for checking out the video, guys. I look forward to seeing you again real soon. Have a great rest of your week.